Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. So in today's video, I have this spaciously built 3 BHK flat for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the apartment is spread across 1650 square feet of built-up area and has got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1 balcony with a puja room. It's a brand new apartment which got completed couple of months ago and is available for sale directly from the developer. It's a G+5 structure building and the flat is located on the 3rd floor with facing northeast direction and overlooking garden. This is one of those homes where luxury comes with affordability. This house provides ample natural light and has good ventilation that invites comfort. Your hall is spacious, kitchen is going to be modular and the balcony is going to offer a great view. The apartment is located in a gated community and the amenities are designed to make your life easy, exciting and luxurious. The property is a quality construction and the prime location provides residents with access to the very best. Well-kept landscaping is one of the society's pride and includes facilities like lifts, intercom facility, maintenance staff, security personnel, visitor parking, swimming pool, gymnasium, clubhouse, rainwater harvesting, pipe gas, water storage, waste disposal and park. The property is close to the main road and making it highly accessible. So this spacious 3 BHK flat is located at Banashankari in south part of Bengaluru. And the asking price for this flat is 1 crore 33 lakhs. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.